So we can find the kth largest element of an array using heap. So how it will works? Let's say we have some element like 43, 23, 42, 34, 8 and 17. Okay. So now, and our k is here. So which element we need to find? Fifth element, fifth largest element we need to find. Okay. So now we will create a heap. So it works. First we take the first element in the heap. So now 40 we keep in heap. Now 3 comes. Again we keep 3 in the heap. So 3 smallest element. So it will go in the front. Again we insert 23. So 23 is smaller than 40 and bigger than 3. So it will go in the middle. Again we insert 42. 42 is bigger than 40. So it go to the first element. So now 34 comes. 34 is it goes here because it is bigger than it goes here because 34 is smaller than 40 and bigger than 23. So 42, 40, 34, 23 and 3. Later comes 8. So 8 is now smaller than 23 but bigger than 3. Now 17 comes. So 17 comes. 17 is 42, 40, 34, 23, 17, 8 and 3. Okay. Now we need to remove the elements according to the given number of k. Okay. So we insert in the heap now, and we need to remove this element. So we can remove using k equal to 5. That means fifth element we need to return. So other 4 we can delete. So this one, this one, this one, and this one we can delete. So we have remaining these 3. So from these 3, our top element is 17. So fifth largest element is 17. So we are implementing it using max heap. So let's do the code now. For coding, we need to, in Java we will do the coding. So for making heap, you use the priority queue. So public static void, or we need to like integer type. So kth largest element. Okay. So for making heap, we use the priority queue. In the priority queue, here we will keep integers. That's why we write integer. The name of the priority queue is queue. Okay, and we initialize it new priority queue of integer. Okay. So first we need to insert. As we can see, we first insert every element according in the priority queue. But priority queue insert the element according like how I inserted. Like it will keep the smallest element in the top and keep the largest element at the end. It will keep the largest element at the end and smallest element at the front. But the things is that, so but that's why you need to make little bit of adjustment here. We need to write like collection dot reverse order. So it will insert the element according to the reverse order. So you need to write like in this bracket you need to write collections dot reverse order. So we write because we want to insert in the reverse order. Normally the bigger element comes at the front and smaller element comes at the last. But as we are inserting, we are keeping the smaller element at the front and bigger element at the last. That's why we write collections dot reverse order. So let's see. We insert the elements. I equal to 0, I less than the current element size. So the size of the array and I plus plus. Okay. So first we insert the element, right? So q dot add function, q dot add function, and we just insert the array. So array of I. We insert the element. So first to insert the element. So now our element will be like the way we have described earlier. So it will be like 40, 42, 40, 34, 23 to 17, 8 and 30, 8 and 3. So it will be like this. Now we'll remove the other element. We'll remove the elements at the front. So we'll consider from the fifth element. The fifth element is the fifth element. Okay. So let's see. We'll remove until fifth element. So int l equal to k minus 1. So k is 5. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So our initial value is 4. Okay. So now while this L greater than 0, we'll iterate it through. Suppose it will be like 4, 3, 2, 1. This we will remove the item. Okay, we'll remove the item. So we'll first remove the fourth element. Now then we'll remove the third element. Now then we'll fold the second element. Now then we'll remove the first element. So our list is like this: 42, 40. So we can write like this. So 42, 42, 40, 42, 40, 34, 23, 34, 23, and 17. I think last two elements are 17 and 8 and 3. So 8 and 3. So in this while loop, we will remove first fourth element, then third element, then so this will be removed. So pq dot pq, so q dot poll. So it will remove the element from the queue. So in the queue, elements are like this. So we'll poll the element. So first, so L is equal to L minus 1. Our first value was 4. So first time it will remove first element. first element is 42. Then again we will remove this element, so it will go to 40, 34, then 1. So this 4 will be removed, and then it will reach to the 0. So 0, there is nothing will happen. So then our peak element is 17. So then we return return q dot peek. So peak element is 17, then peak element will be returned. So we write the while loop to remove if we poll the element. So 42, 40, 34, 23 will be removed from the list, and the remaining will be 17, 8 and 3. And from there we will return the peak element as 17.